Hi everybody and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time. I'm Ulla from Bribie Island Library and I'll be running the session today. So let's start off today with our acknowledgement of country. Here is the land, here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby ground. We'll start off with our hello song and we'll wave to each other while we sing. Hi, hello and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello and how are you? How are you today? I hope everybody's well today. I'm feeling pretty good. I think we'll have a fun session. So let's see what our next song is today. We've got round and round the garden. So you can do this a couple of different ways. You can do it on the palm of your hand or you can do it on your tummy. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickly under there. Let's do it again. Let's do it the other way on our palm. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickly under there. Up next, we've got Ticktock. So we're going to be clocks and we're going to rock from side to side. Tick tock, tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock, stop. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Cuckoo. Shall we sing it again for 2 o'clock? Yeah. Tick tock, tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock, stop. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Whew. Goodness. Now that we've checked the time, 2 o'clock, it's ready for us to go for a drive. Let's start off with a smooth road, then we'll have a bumpy road and a rough road. A smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road. A bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road. A rough road, a rough road, a rough road. Whoa, there's a hole in the road. Oh, goodness, we fell in the hole. From our adventure in our car, I think I'll change my mind and take the bus. So let's start off with the wheels of the bus going round and round all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. What have we got up next? We've got the wipers going swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Next up, we've got the horn. And you can beep the horn like this, or you can beep your nose. The horn, no, that's the wheels. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. And people know this song a little bit differently. So you can also sing it The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all the way to the library. So you can always play a little bit with the songs that you have. So here we've got the people on the bus going up and down, and the babies going wah, wah, wah. You could even sing a verse with the grannies knitting, whatever you like. Our third mode of travel today is by boat. And we're going to be rowing our boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! And this is the only time you can ever scream in the library. Shh, don't tell anyone. Now we've got one of my favourites, Incy Wincy. And you can do Incy Wincy a couple of different ways too. You can climb up an arm, or you can climb up a body, whatever you like. Incy Wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spout again. And I think that brings us to the end of this session with our goodbye song. And we'll wave to each other as well to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Goodbye everybody, and I'll see you next time.